nail salon. Show your hands. Whoa, whoa.
We have kept our luggage, and because we are so excited, now we are going to Central Phuket Mall, and
It's like walking distance, which is 28 minutes.
yeah.
So
I think it's walkable. Paro doesn't think it's walkable. What do you guys think? Will we be able to walk? I think I will be able to walk. I don't know about Paro.
we are sleep deprived. We've not had any food, and I don't have my sunglass. It's in my luggage.
Stupid people. I knew. I kept it in the itinerary कि हम ये time पे will explore around. और इसने नहीं रखे sunglasses. Whose fault is that?
Mine.
Her. This is our outfits. And also we have put zero sunscreen.
Yeah, no
So
sunscreen.
full tan will happen.
We tell them where we are. We are in Phuket. Paro has found her home. सारे पैसे यहीं खर्च हो जाएंगे हमारे गाइस.
वहाँ से we are getting it cheap here than I will.
Okay. We shopped a lot. In what sense?
Yay, skincare.
बहुत सारे पैसे खर्च हो गए, but to be honest, it's not that expensive. Even if you convert it, it's mostly the almost same rate.
Almost same.
It's not that like I feel it's a little expensive because we buy usually online, and online pe we get discounts. But if we buy the same things offline, then it's
Same
almost the same price.
If you go to an ICA store and buy these things, same price.
Yeah.
Nothing much different.
And the quality of like Thai and Japanese and Korean skincare is like
the
way
options
better.
are also more than what we have here.
Yes. Cuteness.
To spend money.
From here, this section, this, and this. This is just pen. Only pens. Finally, we got a room. This is nice. हाँ. Nice.
बड़ा भी है.
Yes. I like it.
So mall से आने के बाद we just slept. We got the room and we just slept for straight like 2.5 hours, and we still look like zombies because we have not had like proper sleep. So but we had to wake up. It's around 6 now. 6:30. Yeah, it's 6:30 right now. We have to leave to Patong Beach. Not dressed, not ready. Both of us.
was an
I think
experience.
this is it. You
And
can
then
go back.
and then we found a 7-Eleven and we got some stuff. We have water and a lot of snacks. We just booked a cab. It's coming. It's just too much. Like it just feels like the world is in Thailand and in Patong area, Bangla Street. Too much crowd, too much noise. So guys, for a healthy trip, what is needed is a bunch of medicines. Kyunki Paro ke
Because
She
I'm
has a-
surviving on painkillers.
because she has severe neck pain. Look at that medicine.
Painkillers and self-confidence that everything will be fine is all you need.
Mantra for 2026. Late night cravings from 7-Eleven. We spent almost 2 hours tallying up. 2 hours tallying up the money that we spent today. We have 162 rupees, no, 162 Thai baht missing. And Rianshi is having Pringles. This will be our breakfast for tomorrow. It's 2:30. We have not slept and we have to be up at 9 tomorrow. We have already cancelled 2 places because it's just boring apparently. So we are going to a beach tomorrow and then we'll come back, we'll get ready, then we'll go for Siam Pyramid, for which word of
Very
advice. I think nobody else should decide that where you should go on a trip. You are the, what do we say? You are the you are the decision maker. You are the what is that line? She is not drunk. She's completely sober. I'm sleepy. Just FYI, yeah. Very, very sleepy. And traumatized. For the one who's making plans, you will have your own interests and preferences. So make plans accordingly. We were planning to go to Big Buddha and watch along. Big Buddha is closed, temporary closed, some construction thing. Watch along is just, it's a Thai temple which both of us have been before, and it's almost 40 minutes from where we're staying. There is nothing else to see there, so it doesn't make sense for us to go. So we are going to Freedom Beach. Good night. I'm gonna eat that and we'll sleep. Yes. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Look at this sleepy person. So guys, today we are going to eat this collagen jelly that we bought from 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven find.
Also, I am the tester of all the food that we had in Thailand.
Because I'm a vegetarian and she eats non-veg, so first the food has to go through her so that I can eat.
Too sugary, oh my god.
There's no sugar. Oh, vitamin C.
High zinc,
High
vitamin
zinc,
C, vitamin E.
and it has some pineapple juice, so that for taste.
Pomegranate.
Pineapple is that?
Pomegranate है.
तो pomegranate पता है.
Nice, good. 9
Weird
on 10.
taste, but 9 on 10.
I like the taste. 7 on 10.
अभी अभी पारो के साथ कुछ हो गया. हम सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतरे थे फॉर फ्रीडम बीच. इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी प्लेस.
I fell. मतलब did not fall, but I twisted my leg. Why does this happen to every trip that I go?
Nothing is happening. Nothing has happened to her. Her leg is completely fine.
I think it's a little swollen.
No, it's not. It is not. It's all here. This is the problem. Epicenter of problems. Overthinking is the mother of all fuck ups.
Also my nails.
Love it. She has nails in both her hands now.
Now we are going to Cafe Viewpoint. We don't know if it has hike. Hike hai to we're not going. We can't do it anymore.
I'm done.
No sleep, dehydrated, no proper food, too much humidity, and it's like scorching heat and pain. For me, to medications, everything combined. We need rest. It's definitely a good beach, very pretty, but not worth the hike. And it's like, I feel it's overhyped and definitely not worth the fall. What do
I
you
think when it got the hype, there
Yeah.
were very less people that were coming there. Now it's way too crowded.
Yeah. So it's like, now it's famous over
Just
reels.
visit Patong Beach and it's the same thing, I think.
Except the hike.
Except the hype.
And definitely compared to Patong, though, people are less here, but still, I don't think it's worth the hike too much. And especially if you're unhealthy like us.
Like her.
Oh, you. Oh my god. Like us.
I was
then.
much better than you.
Uh-huh,
That is
yes.
for sure.
But maybe by 10%, that's it.
Yeah.
But if you're unhealthy and if you don't exercise, then
Pro
it'll be
tip,
very difficult.
when you are planning a trip, come with people who have got the exact amount of exhaustion capacity like you, so that
You're matched.
you are matched. Nobody's trying to force
Yeah.
कि वहाँ भी चलते हैं यहाँ भी चलते हैं. We are on the same pace that we don't want to go anywhere.
No, we want to go, but then which includes less physical work.
Less physical work, only traveling in cabs, seeing places. That's it.
We
So
hope we
match
can-
your vibes before
Yeah.
going.
Pro tip. We're giving pro tips at every point of this video. Note it down. We are at Cafe Viewpoint.
Why we look so dead?
कितना भी makeup लगा So, pro tip regarding Siam Mirami.
Phuket.
In Phuket, yeah. It opens around 5:30 and the show starts at 8:30. For the show, you cannot be late, but there is nothing much to do here before the show. Obviously, there is dinner if you're taking ticket including that. So we came around 5:30. It's almost 6. So in 30 minutes, we have seen everything in Siam Mirami. Now we're just sitting. We are hoping that there might be like some performance before the show starts. Otherwise, we'll just sit and do nothing for 1 hour, then have dinner, and then we'll go for the show. We hope that the show is really, really good. Yes. I've seen the show before. If that is the same show, then it's amazing. But I don't know if it's the same. Siam Niramit. It was very, very, very nice. Food was 10 on 10. Dessert, I would say 5 on 10 or maybe 4 on 10. It is definitely the best place for non-vegetarians. But surprisingly, vegetarians have also have like good options. Rianchi, what do you rate? How
Yes,
much do you
true.
rate? No, rate food experience out
Food
of 10.
experience 8 on 10.
8 on 10, including dessert, no?
No.
In-
Desert experience 3 on 10. They ruined baraf ka gola. How can they somebody make baraf ka gola wrong?
That is a veg option. We have 4 island Fifi tour tomorrow, so and they'll pick us from the hotel around 8. We'll leave, so we have to wake up pretty early. See you tomorrow.